Tàu hay lu number hay sorok solo play. Now it will be followed by another song number 6. Song number 6. Hello, tàu hay mày lu nuôi mình gần của hay tăng của hay cái hồi cáo lục ní hay cũng là cái nào nón pang của bám mày cái tia si chẳng devotees nón đuôi cầm cái zelo na rồi cái của tàu lúc còn thì là han thì thay bằng thế han thì thay thế này mày lu rồi cái mình tăng của hay cái hồi cáo phao lục ní hồi cáo của hay cái riêng cái mày tia si chẳng devotees nón đuôi cầm cái hay rồi cái lúng kho của tăng lúc hoàng thì là han đểถ่ายผมthế có tốt thế The next program will be Yelling of Hoi by the devotees of TRC. So I request all the devotees of the TRC to join the Yelling of Hoi. Yelling of Hoi has been done before any of the program according to TRC, according to devotees of the TRC. This Hoi has been done as a prayer. So I request all the devotees of TRC to gather for the Yelling of Hoi. Tao hay Hoi thao là bậc thế, hôm nào Hoi thao Hoi đã nản nôn Hoi cầm hay đào mình nôn Hoi cầm hay Hoi hay cầu sầm lấp lâm nào không ai thằng tháo lúc hàng từ nào thì thay bấm Hoi thế, không cụ thể. Hoi cầu ta mi tăng cụ hay program hay invoking song thần này đó re. Hãy cần cái nào xăm đào lúc hàng từ nào thì thay bấm em. Thank you, the devotees of TRC, for the beautiful healing of voice. Now, it will be followed by invoking song number 7 and 8. Come in. Next program will be offering of holy wine to Tingkao Rogwong by Kumpu and Kolaku. And it will be followed by the lighting of the candles. And he will be the one who is going to follow up by lighting of the candles. Cao thầy cơ quan tài lập thế, cái rằng function the president Paul của chủ tịch cả mấy na, cơ quan cái ta bị tăng cụ hay cái mấy na cái rằng mai đang thảo luận này. Kita minta buat cái the function president của chủ tịch cả Marina candle hay đã lập châu thầu rồi thế mấy cái tăng cụ hay lu invoking song hay samda lo tho lu number sanai akhani tasat hai. After the lighting of the candles, it will be followed up by the invoking song number 7 and 8. So please prepare for the invoking song. Now the program will be followed by another song again. This will be an inaugural song. It's called Lumkai Kaitan, who calls Melu, song number 62 and 63. And it will be also followed by another song again. It's called Lumkai Melu, a thankful song. that will be from online. gin pan throi na gang mai non guai kam tai tai ta zian na các bạn tôi bấm mai non guai tai tai ta zian na gang long mai non guai kaiกลุ่มกายแค่ทันกู้โกกังลมไม่นุนกวยกำใจกลุ่มโกกุลพังเตนาหันถึงไทยบ่เมบอมให้บอมเราโตไม่ให้ first session jump first session jump ให้ last กระทุ่มสู้ไม่เท last กระทุ่มสู้ไม่เทให้กลุ่มนะกลุ่มกายใกล้ทันกู้โกส่วนไม่รู้สิ่งเล็กสโตรกกันในบูอันนี้สโตรกกระทุ่มบูให้9โปรแกรมตัว9สู้ไม่เทโปรแกรมกันในนั่นเทต่อให้ไม่รวยได้กินนะกระป๋างของปลาปนีกุ้มนะไม่กล้วยไปนะกระป๋างทุกบ้านไม่นุ่นกล้วยกำไทยกายไปทันกระลุมกายไปทันกู้ของวงไม่นุ่นกำไก่เสียลูนะกายเต่าบอมเราว่าไม่หายดังตรงลูกฟังตัวนะฮันนั่นในไทยไหมI request all the guests who has a right to witness the inaugural of Tingkarogong Kalumkai at Kaiku. So I request all those who are outside to gather inside the hall and take your seat. This is the last third of the program. So I request all of you to be seated, and then now the second session will be starting after a short while. So the second session will be held here in the platform. So I request all the invitees and the love people who have come to witness the Tingkarogong Kalumkai inaugurations. So please come and be seated in the chair which is being provided. Thank you. Now the program will be followed by another song which is known as Talum Tai Tuan Melu, which means Thanksgiving song, song number 9. Then it will be followed by the last song, Amu Magna Talum Tai Ko Solong Lu. Now it will be followed by Talum Tai Tuan Melu, the sing Sakyu. the last prayer song, which is known as Amu Magna Alum Kaito Solomelu, song number 93. This will be the last prayer song, and after this, the second sessions of the program starts. So, it will be held outside where the platform has been made for everybody. So I request do the same 93. Hello. Hay amu magna kalum kai kho solo mai lu ti the hay na lu loi mai ti the la krum lu hay na loi mai ti the hay kum na ka tang ko hay program ka tang ko hay ka pang ko inaugural functionใน second session โหปันได้hay kum na ka pang thum mi nun goi kam tai akaiไปครูกันร้องขอติ้งเก้าระบวงกลุ่มกาย inauguration เขาเจ้าโลนีนะเฮาโลนีนะไทยโลนีนะบวงมนุษย์ด้วยกำใจอากายจำเขาซิดเราว่ามีให้เจ้าเราว่ามีให้บุญนะตรงลูกฟังแต่นะฮันนันติไทยผมตรงนี้เท่
ไม่ตะปัดนู่นที่เราละ
tao hay là krum lùa lùi tung tung tho là krum mi hay nai lộc ní ấy cũng là nụ tí tho cái bây hay bây quên mình là krum mầm tí tho cái hay second session the program hay hậu thầu nụ bạc ấy hay cũng là anh yêu lùi mi can của hay cái giá luôn là krum đó khăng thì là hắn ở thái vẫn tụng như thế tao hay second session này học vấn thế.
快lâu kìa, bắt lại đi, đang không có.
Hello. Tao hay cái này số mày section của hay program mày trên highlight rồi mẹ. Second số mày section của hay nai lại mi hay dignitaries cái nụ hay bấm la lộc nhé. Cái tăng của hay presentation hour nai lộc cái tăng của presentation hour nai ta mi tăng của hay welcome dance cái khu cho buồn cultural organization KCCO rồi na tam lộc nhé mấy người mấy khang. Cái tăng đó có welcome speech nai lộc nhé. Welcome speech thì rồi mấy na Paul Rasmani pa my member TRC P cái khu. Cái tăng đó có hay secretary report này nhé. Secretary report này rồi mấy secretary report này thì nó mấy hai bảo nông sĩ sau pa mấy là thì rồi mấy cô hai cái mấy là secretary report thì mấy gan cô hai memorandum cái thì rồi cái chief guest correct guest of honor có cái tăng đó cô hai panti này melu này bên cái sinh lệch tay tự sát bu hay cũng là cái tăng đó cô hai panti này melu loài ta mình tăng cô hai reportที่เราคนนี้สเตทปัตไตตัวสเตทกระทมตัวสวยเท่สเตทกระทมตัวสเตททมตัวที่เราคนนี้ General Secretary TRCP อาสามมณิปุรนาการแลนด์นี่นะNow, since since the first session is over, now the second part of the sessions will start, will continue on. So I request all the audience and all the devotees of TRC who have come to participate the Tingkaura Guang Kalamkai inauguration at Kaiku are requested to take their seat for the second session. As the second session is about to start, I request all the devotees and the invitees to take their seat. So we will be starting the second session soon. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Inner Manipur, to please come out to the stage and take the dice. After our chief guest has taken the dice, I request the president of the function, Paul Kamchujai Kamai, to take the seat of the president. After the president's seat, I request our guest of honor, Sheikh Nur Hassan, MLA, Kedrigao AC, to come up to the dais and take the seat of the guest of honor. So please help to let our guests on the dais. After Nur Sheikh Hassan, our MLA, Kedrigao AC, has taken the dice, I request Paul Chumkairong Kamai, Working President TRCP, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, to take the dice. After Paul Chumkairong Kamai have taken the dice, I request Sri Sapam Biswajit Meitei, Executive Member Kalia Ashram Manipur and a Senior Advocate in High Court of Manipur, to come and take the dice. So now after our chief guest, president and guest of honors has taken their place, I request Kaiku Pai member to come up to the stage. So Pai ko phungba mai guai non guai kam tai akai dais ko dong thao lo kang tana kana non tuna naga non ta ti thai me lai mi khao pau maza long go mai katang da khao pau mani gang mai katang da ko pau morenga ka mai katang da ko pau kang ki long gang mai katang da ko pau maku hiam ka mai kanu dan pungu hai dais ko kutang lo wo na ti thai bom boy
Krong mi de. Crown on the way to.
After the dignitaries has taken their seat, now we will proceed with the presentations out. So I request the receptionists, those who are prepared for the presentation hours, to take your time. So the presentation now will be given by the youth of the Kaiku. So I request the youth to come up to the stage and give a presentations for the guests. First, our chief guest, Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Inner Manipur. Bapa Bailowo, Mikoy Mina Zialona, Bapa Bailowo. Next, the function president Paul Kamchujai Kamai. Next, our guest of honor, Honorable Sri Sheikh Nur Hassan, MLA, Kedrigao AC. After our Honorable Sheikh Nur Hassan has taken the presentations, now I request Sri Sapam Biswajit Meitei, Executive Member Kalia Ashram, Manipur and a Senior Advocate in High Court of Manipur. Katang Dugo Hai Paul Chumkairong Kamai, Working President TRCP, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. Katang Dugo Kraponu Kena Akai Jampai Guamno Kena Tamlo Pnie, give Hai Lai Mikau Po Mazalong Kam Go Mai, sorry, Po Mazalong Go Mai Kau gi phải tầm lộc bên nhé cái tăng tôi cũng hay bầu mani gang mày khâu cái tăng tôi cũng hay bầu morenga cả mày cái tăng tôi cũng hay cái tăng tôi cũng hay bầu morenga cả mày cái tăng tôi cũng hay bầu gang kim long gang mày cái tăng tôi cũng hay bầu một cái hiên cả mày Now, we would like to present to our chief guests and guests of honor a holy book. So I request the presenters to please present the holy book of Tingao Roguang Sabrek TRC. Next, we have Honorable Sheikh Nur Hassan, MLA, Kedrigao AC, to please hand over the holy book. Next we have Sri Sapong Biswajit Meitei, Executive Member, Kalia Ashram, Manipur, and Senior Advocate in High Court of Manipur. Now, after the presentation has done, now the program will be followed by a welcome dance. Katang ko hai, tao hai, presentation duai mi katang ko hai, tao hai, kai khu Chabuan Cultural Organization lina welcome dance tamlop niye, hai welcome dance hai kai khu Chabuan nulina tamlop ni kum na welcome dance hai làm thằng hai cái xem lão thô từ từ thay thế. Now, the welcome dance will be performed by Kaiku Chabuan Cultural Organization, KCCO. So, I request all the singers to come forward and then let the welcome dance take place.
จำเป็นตินซอเฮียงแบงแค่
Hãy tuan làm bấm bị hay làm dân hay đuôi buồn làm cầu thế. The name of the dance is called đuôi buồn làm.
Hiền kháng thế anh gì dạy lên mộng cả khô lòng sông cái khô loạn thế hiếm tiền khe kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen gì dài hiền khen khen gì dài lên bòn cả khô lòng cho cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài hiền khen khen dài lên bòn cả khô lông sâu cái khô đoàn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen dài lên tròn cái khô lông sâu cái khô đoàn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen dài nhưng bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài nhưng bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài lên bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài lên bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài lên bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài nhưng bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài lên bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền khen khen kê khăn ngà mài mày nà chăm đến đến cho hiền khen khen dài này hiền khen khen gì dài lên bọn cái khô lông sâu cái khô loạn hiền เป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไอ้นาจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไอ้นาจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไอ้นาจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับคู่ลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนายเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ดีใจเลี้ยงบงกับลงจอไก่คู่หลวงเฮ้เฮียงเป็นแก่อากีข้างหน้ามาไม่น่าจำเด่นเดินทองไอ้เฮียงเป็นแก่ฉันนาย
Thank you, Gaiku Chabuan Cultural Organization. Thank you, Gaiku Chabuan Cultural Organization, for the graceful and meaningful dance. Now it is my honor to call upon Paul Rajmani Palmai, member TRCP Gaiku, to deliver the welcome speech. Now it is my honor to invite Paul Rajmani Palmai, member TRCP Gaiku, to deliver the welcome speech.
Tao hai katang ko hai welcome speech ti obniye Paul Rajmani Palmai na member TRCP Gaiku. So request Paul Rajmani Palmai to take the platform. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Asigi, Gaiku, Kopui Rongmeiki, TRC, Tingkawa Kong Chapre. She inauguration mission Nibiri Bukwai to the Bukuahan Mukida, Cook, Nona, Payambu Taram Ucheri, Adam Maruana, Masigi, Chip Gason election Biripa. Every Mayam gi oja sabi mo la ko jam bu aham kada mayam ki hoi sinjaraga welcome oi pagi swagat amtang pijari masih gumba tang leba tangkak sida ma chilbak mayam ju labak tamakta we warmly welcome our Hajabimon once again ani subita huigi president function president abiriba koi ki mamani khangjai mana silma tam seleng biratna akoi ki mayam saru ya bibu nukta ya welcome to jeri am subita akoi ki AC student CCG local MLA oine pubiriba ming oine Panjarabada Sheikh Nehru Hasan Buso mesigi tharum sigi sinbalangiriba magi digi achau welcome ama tujari amade khigi chief guest gi aya blujaraga khigi kabui delecta bai amani thamjege waru biroi khanji asayam pau Sri Sapam Biswajit Mahamasho ekoi asi sinjara ba maiki digi achu welcome mama tawjari mapam kuri makta mongol oi bisnu khaina wai ma sin tenge हम सुविधा कीजिए TRC टिकाऊ को जब की काउंसिल के बाद मेरे पंजाब प्रेसिडेंट TRC मणिपुर सामनेपुर नगले जी तेरे सिगी पुजीरे प्रपुजीरे पाउ के रुपा में मेरे पंजाब वहाँ इलेक्शन वेदम का भी वहाँ वर्कर तो करें Good. I will all invitees in Kundagi, Jiri Degi, Assam Degi, Silchar Degi, Nagaland Degi, Dimapur Degi, Maya Amam Degi Rukna, a person that she, Mahukana Yavan Bhagdamakta, wow, welcome Sagari, and Kundagi, Manipurgi, Passion Pia, Tunga by Pigi. TRC-ku, Living-ku, kecil di Mayam, amati aktif program amati lagi ni berapa itu pun. Jadi sini lagi di Mayam lagi, Mayam bukannya langsung terjadi. Aduh, semua lagi nak kasih TRC sigi, segala begini sudah Mayam masih awal Mayam program ini nak. Sudah terminasi amadi Iswara ekoi simbiri ba pauting ka orogo na ekoi gi makta khuding mak chan bigani haiduna ekoi gi maki thajab thammi aduna mayambo sheharga mayambo tesin jike
Thank you, sir, for the inspiring words of welcome speech. Moving on to our next program, we have Secretary report from Pau Nungsi Chao Pamay, President Kaiku Youth Club.
Katangko hai welcome speech titami tangko hai takaidamai program ko hai Secretary report nai rowe Secretary report hai Pau Nungsi Chao Pamay na tiropani mai jam Secretary report ti mi ko hai akai Secretary rina memorandum hai chief guest le guest of honor ko silot ni
Lai mi ko tinggal orang tak kerumeh tanggal misuna saya kai das dungu mai kai tongan mai committee king kang tung to ai ta le ko kum sa me te me ge me kan excuse ro mo ta ni nge ngasi February ki tang tram nga nungai jing nimit asigumba yamna nungai ba ya sarba yamna tang phang ban sida tingbiak pa khoi ki dasre sim biri ba khoi ki yamna tak nazari ba mingina chan banjarda Sri Dr. Angam Sapimul Koijam Narban MP Lok Sabha Inner Manipur amadi akhoi preside to biri ba khoi ki uncle mingona Punjabda Sri Kamai Khonsijai khoi kungi ke khoi ki thaubai ki member ni daga mathangda khoi guest over ning sinba mingona Punjabda khoi khejagau assembly constituency ki emile oi bi ba mingona Punjabda Sri Nur Sheikh Nurul Hassan madi au khoi Tada Kamai Sungkairung, Working President, TRPC, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland. Mathangda Sri Sapam Besuji Mektai, Executive Member, Kaya Assam, Manipur. Senior Advocate, High Court, Manipur. Madi Koiki, Lakagi, Koi Tawai, Kapi, Koiki,